Hey buddy, today in this video we're making rosemary garlic chicken wings. Let's begin. We have here 11 chicken wings. We're going to season it with some crushed rosemary. Season both sides. Some rosemary. Some garlic powder. Do the other side. Just like that. Some salt. Turn them around. Some onion powder. Turn them around. Some paprika. There you go. Turn them around. Do the same thing. And sprinkle the other side. And lastly, some black pepper. We're going to spray some cooking oil onto the chicken wings. Turn them around, do the same thing. And spray the other side. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. It's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. Before we put in the wings, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go, we have all 11 chicken wings in the basket. Try to spread them out just a little bit. Looking good, let's put it in. Going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 22 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 11 minutes so far, we're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Smells really good. Just gonna flip them all over. We flipped them all over. Let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, rosemary garlic, chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.